Trust, it's the invisible thread that holds relationships together. But what happens when that thread snaps? Have you ever felt the weight of betrayal, the sting of dishonesty, or the emptiness of doubt? If you're here, chances are you've been hurt, and you're wondering, can trust ever be rebuilt? Imagine a time when you were a child, standing on a playground, and your best friend promised to catch you as you jumped off the swings. Without a second thought, you leapt, because trust was effortless. But as we grow, those leaps become harder, don't they? Trust isn't as easy to give, especially when it's been broken. But here's the thing. Trust isn't just about others, it's about us too. How do we heal when that trust is shattered? And more importantly, how do we learn to trust again? Let's take a moment to understand why trust issues develop. Is it the pain of past betrayals? The fear of vulnerability? Or maybe the scars left by someone you thought would never hurt you? When trust is broken, it's like a wound that never fully heals. Each new relationship, every new opportunity to trust, reopens that wound. But why do we carry this burden? The truth is, trust issues aren't just about what others have done to us, they're about how we've processed that pain. And this is where the journey to healing begins. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah was deeply in love, fully committed to her partner. She believed that they were building a future together, but one day, she discovered the truth: he was leading a double life. Her world crumbled, leaving her questioning everything, including her own judgment. Months passed, and even though the relationship ended, the trust issues lingered. Every new person she met was met with suspicion. She found herself asking, what if it happens again? Can I really trust someone? Or am I doomed to live in fear? Have you ever felt like Sarah? Stuck in a loop, unable to move forward because the past keeps pulling you back. Healing is not just about moving on, it's about reclaiming your life. It's about finding peace in the present, rather than being haunted by the past. Think of trust as a muscle. When it's injured, it needs time to heal, but it also needs to be exercised, gently, carefully, until it's strong again. The same applies to our ability to trust. Without healing, we risk living in a world of isolation, where fear dictates our choices. So, how do we heal? How do we overcome trust issues? Let's break it down step by step. First, acknowledge the pain. Pretending it didn't happen or burying it deep within only gives it more power. Reflect on what happened, how it made you feel, and why it hurt so much. This is the first step towards healing. Next, understand your triggers. What makes you feel anxious or suspicious? Is it certain behaviors, words, or situations? By identifying these triggers, you can start to manage them instead of letting them control you. Third, communicate openly. Open communication is key. If you're in a new relationship, be honest about your past, your fears, and what you need to feel secure. It's not about accusing or demanding, but about building a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. Additionally, rebuilding trust doesn't happen overnight. It's okay to take small steps. Start by trusting in small things, like believing someone when they say they'll call. Gradually, as your confidence grows, you'll find it easier to trust in bigger things. Finally, learn to forgive, not just the person who hurt you, but yourself as well. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the behavior, it means releasing the hold it has over you. It's about finding peace within, even if the memory remains. Now, I want to ask you, what would your life look like if you could trust again? What relationships could you heal? What opportunities could you embrace? Take a moment to visualize that life, free from the chains of mistrust. And if you're ready to take the first step, what will it be? Will you open up to someone? Will you forgive a past hurt? Or maybe, just maybe, you'll start by trusting yourself. Healing from trust issues isn't easy, but it's worth it. Every step you take brings you closer to a life of peace, connection, and yes, trust. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Take it one day at a time, and know that with each step forward, you're reclaiming the power to trust, and to love. Trust is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Are you ready to take that first step? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Share in the comments below your thoughts about trust. See you next time.